Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Navy Federal. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there are a few steps you need to follow for you to make a transaction between those two banks. Now, first thing you want to do is you need to sign in into Wells Fargo. So for you to access the transfer functionality, you need to log in. Now, second thing you need to do here is after signing in, you need to choose the accounts involved in the money transfer. Now, specify the account you want to transfer money from and the account you want to transfer it to. Now, from there, identify the source account from which you wish to transfer money and the destination account where you want to fund to be received. Now, if you intend to transfer money between your Wells Fargo account and accounts held at another bank, you need to choose the option that says Add Non-Wells Fargo accounts. Now in this case, you just need to provide the banking information for Navy Federal, and from there, once you've done that, you just follow the steps, and from there you should be able to make a transfer from Wells Fargo to Navy Federal. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.